They say Manipur isn't safe, so I decided to hitchhike here with a girl just to prove whether the fear is real or not. No taxi, no buses, no trains, only strangers on the road. And what happened next completely changed the way I see this place. Today's vlog is going to be very different. We started from a small village called Vishwama in Nagaland and hitchhiked all the way to Imphal in Manipur. And why did I do this? Because when you search about Manipur these days, all you hear is about the clashes between the Meitei and Kuki communities. And the biggest question people ask is it safe for outsiders? So instead of just giving my opinion, I decided to test it myself with a girl traveler. We put our thumbs up on the highway and trusted the kindness of strangers. This vlog will be full of raw footages, so you can decide by yourself whether you feel this place safe or not. ये है प्रशांत और अलेख्या का घर. They are also overlander. और ऐसा देख सकते हो कैसा उनका बेड है. उन्होंने नीचे फुल कंस्ट्रक्ट करके रखा है. यहाँ पे पूरा किचन है इसके अंदर. Can you open this? Yeah. Oh my God! Look at this. They have like everything inside. Oh, wow. Full kitchen setup.
This much, but then if we have something where we can cook, we'll use this mostly.
Oh, very nice. So yeah. So प्रशांत के साथ में हम 5-6 दिन ट्रैवल किया हमने, and it was pleasure man. बहुत मज़ा आया. पूरा जुकू वैली हमने साथ में एक्सप्लोर किया, and we have Alekhya. Am I pronouncing it right? Yes. So sometimes पूरा pronunciation में problem हो जाती है. So yeah, हमने बहुत मस्ती की. We also have Madhavi here. Yay! She's a real gibbon.
Oh, so first I went with Prashant and Alekhya to Zuku Valley, and then this guy just stole them, and then he continued with them. Yeah, it was so nice.
It was nice to take you and bring him back.
Yeah. So thank you so much Prashant for everything. It was pleasure man.
Thank you so much. It was wonderful. We're gonna meet again.
Thank you so much. Yeah, definitely.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Yay! बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Yeah.
और आप आर्टिस्ट बहुत मजा आया मुझे.
Yeah.
Like real artist के real में मैं पहली बार मिली. बहुत मजा आया मुझे. Like I've seen artists on the like videos and everywhere in the TV and whatnot, but like
Yeah. A real one. So अभी हम हिचैक करके जाने वाले हैं, and they are on the way to Arunachal Pradesh. They are really kind people from Hyderabad. So yeah. हमें फर्स्ट लिफ्ट मिल गई है. हम दोनों ऐसे बैठे जुकू पॉइंट तक, राइट?
हाँ, विश्वमा.
हाँ, विश्वमा विलेज तक. फिर वहाँ से हमको फिर से हिचैक करना पड़ेगा, and then we'll go to Mao. Yeah, from Mao we'll get sharing probably.
If we don't, then we'll hitchhike
only. To directly Imphal. Manipur, first time hitchhiking in Manipur. It will be crazy adventure.
So we got our first lift to Manipur.
Yeah, to Mao village, right?
Yeah.
So we are going there. There's a beautiful view here in Nagaland. Wow, so beautiful. Mountains everywhere. अंकल बोल दिया भाई उसने. दीदी क्या बोलना चाहती हो आप?
Hello everyone. So we already hitchhiked till Senapati. So we already hitchhiked for more than 70 kilometers.
Yeah.
Now only 70 kilometers are left.
Yeah.
To reach Imphal.
तो लेट्स सी कि अभी माधवी कैसे हिचैक करने वाली है. नो, हम लोग इम्फाल जा रहे हैं.
Imphal जा रहे हैं. आप लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं? इधर.
अच्छा इधर जा रहे हो? कितना रिजर्व्ड है? ओके इट्स ओके. हम लिफ्ट मांग रहे हैं. तो लेट्स हिचहाइक. शी इज हिचहाइकिंग. he's... इतना रोड पे मत जाओ, इतना रोड पे मत जाओ. Don Bosco, he won't stop. Okay, okay. But we're gonna Haryana. Yeah. No. Hello. Actually, we are going to Imphal. Are you guys nearby? How many kilometers? How many kilometers? But and you guys, how many kilometers? 2 kilometers. Okay, it's okay. But thank you for stopping by. Thank you so much. Yeah, I know. We are also waiting for the bus. So bus will go from this road only. So we're gonna hitchhike also. If some car stop, we're gonna go. Oh, okay. Okay. Mhm. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, definitely. Thank you so much for stopping. Yeah. Bye.
दिख नहीं रहे कि उसमें लोग हैं.
हाँ वही तो. Oh, it's full, it's full. करो hitchhike. They will not stop. Okay. Right now, अभी हम थोड़ा सा सिटी के अंदर है, इसकी वजह से कोई रुक नहीं रहा है. पर एक ट्रक आ रहा है हमारे पीछे से और उसके अंदर शायद पीछे कुछ भी नहीं है. So probably हमें वो लिफ्ट दे दे. We don't know. पर पीछे ऐसा कुछ नज़ारा है. अभी हम हैं कहाँ पे है हम? सेनापति डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है अभी हम, मणिपुर में. और लोगों ने बहुत रोका हमें कि मत जाओ मणिपुर में. बट स्टिल वी केम हियर फॉर एडवेंचर. बट पता नहीं कि कितना सेफ है अभी. So let's see what happens. And there's a truck also.
I'm not sure if this will stop.
Yeah, stop. Hello.
Where are you going?
आगे में जा रहे हैं. कितना किलोमीटर? 1 किलोमीटर.
Oh, okay.
Okay. अच्छा. Okay, no problem. Thank you for stopping. Bye. Oh, more is coming. Do you think you can go there? Oh, he's stopping, Madi. Imphal. Okay, thank you so much.
रख दीजिए आप लोग तो हम हाँ
Madi.
What to?
बंद कर दो. Thank you so much.
So much.
फाइनली हमें लिफ्ट मिल गई है ट्रक में फर्स्ट टाइम. और भैया जी ने हमें लिफ्ट दी है. बहुत धन्यवाद. और हम निकल गए हम अभी. और माधुरी भी हमारे साथ
This
में
is
है.
my first time taking a lift in the truck.
Yeah, it's so amazing. Now let's get real. Yes, there are tensions between the Maite and Kuki tribe, but that's an internal conflict. For outsiders, for travelers like us, Manipur is safe. Not once on this entire journey we feel threatened. In fact, it was the opposite. People went out of their way to make sure we are safe. I hitchhiked with a girl to prove that the fear you hear about on the news doesn't apply to outsiders. So, माजा की बोतल जी ने हमें दी है. इतना अच्छा हमको होस्ट किया है उनके घर में. ये उनका ही घर है. यहाँ पे ही रहते हैं. वो गाड़ी चलाते हैं और यहाँ पे खाना बनाते हैं और यहाँ पे सोते हैं. बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग है. एंड थैंक यू सो मच भैया जी, आपने मुझे दिया. So yeah, thank you.
Yeah, and पानी की बोतल भी दिया.
Yes.
You know, after this whole journey, I can say one thing with confidence. Manipur is not what you see on the news, on TV. You hear about conflict, about fear, but on the ground, it's completely different. The people here are warm and they treat outsiders with so much respect. From the cars that stopped for us to the truck driver who took us all the way to Imphal. Every single person made us feel safe. That driver, especially, the way he talked, laughed, and checked on us, it wasn't just care, it was kindness. And that's the truth I want to share. Manipur is safe, it's beautiful, and it's filled with people who will go out of their way to help you. Don't let the headlines fool you. Come here, see it for yourself, and you'll understand what I mean. For me, this journey wasn't just about hitchhiking, it was about discovering the heart of Manipur. And trust me, that heart is pure.